How to show or hide posts, notifications, content on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub and then the storylines, and once you're here go to settings and then click notifications and scroll down until you find posts, and as you see here you can manage it. You can select only the important ones, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.